Hi, Alex. Hey, it's Granny. Granny again. It's story time. Story time with Granny. And this is our story about guess who? Do you remember? Rabbit and Bear Paws Sacred 7. This one is called Honesty. Remember these guys? Rabbit, Bear Paw, and Strawberry. These are cool guys. I like these guys actually. Well, one sunny winter day, Rabbit, Bear Paws, and Strawberry bundled up in their furs and ventured out for a day of tobogganing. Do you ever toboggan? It's like sledding. It's like sitting on a piece of maybe plastic, sometimes board, and you go sliding on the snow. You're going to be able to do that pretty soon. It's almost winter. As they climbed up the hill, Strawberry spotted some enormous footprints in the snow. Bearpaws gasped, "I wonder what kind of animal made that gigantic footprint." "Oh, it looks big." "Wonder what?" Rabbit replied, "I honestly don't know. Let's follow them and see where the tracks lead us. Maybe we can tell what kind of prints they are by the patterns they make." Rabbit placed his foot beside the tracks and suddenly looked very nervous. The biggest animal out here is a moose. And these tracks are way bigger than a moose track. I think these tracks belong to a mysterious creature. It looks pretty big. As they followed the footprints, they noticed they were heading right towards their village. Strawberry whispered, "Oh no." Rabbit measured her. "Don't worry, Strawberry, it's okay. Put me on your shoulders, Bear Paws, so I can get a better view. Maybe I can see up ahead." Strawberry giggled as the boys teetered back and forth. Ooh, they're like gonna give a ride. While Rabbit up in the air, he noticed a mysterious tuft of fur on the tree branch. Bear Paws, smell this fur. What kind of animal is it? "Honestly, I don't know," replied Bear Paws. With his hair all over his face, Rabbit said, "This creature we are following must be very, very hairy." "The tracks are actually leading right to our lodge," Rabbit gasped. "We have to find out what it is. Honestly, going on here." There's the tracks. They're going to their house. Look scared. Look at the scary faces. The three friends were frozen in fear as they peeked over the snowbank. Ooh, I wonder what they see. They look scared. Like that. The tracks led straight to their door. Their friends hopped like rabbits through the snow to get to the house as fast as they could to discover who the mysterious creature with really big feet might be. And it's going right to their door. They were so relieved to see Greystone standing by the door waving with a pair of snowshoes. They huddled inside to get warm. Cool, I think it's... What do you think? Greystone explained about the snowshoes. I traded with the Cree people for these new snowshoes called bear paws. They look like bear paws, don't they? The friends listened in awe. Just then Rabbit shrieked, "Ah! That doesn't explain the tuft of fur on the tree branch." There's the grandpa. That's Papa. Does it look like a Papa? "Oh," said Greystone. "Honestly, that fur was probably from my friend Gitchisabe. Say hello, children." The friends stared in shock as a Gitchisabe, a giant furry creature, peeked through the door. The children fainted to the floor. Greystone and Gitchisabe shared a simple smile. The end, as a Gitchisabe. Cool, eh? Well done. Don't you just love these stories? I do. They're cool. Love you.